Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Isfahan bin Hilmi from RSR1132A. Number metric is 2024-26-4578. Now, I want to present about the cardiovascular system. First of all, what we want to learn? First, introduction, structure, anatomy of the cardiovascular system, function of cardiovascular system, blood flow in CV system, circulatory system, abnormal condition of heart, and last, conclusion. The introduction of the cardiovascular system is the cardiovascular system, also known as the circulatory system, is a network of organs that includes the heart, blood vessels, and blood, all working together to transport oxygen, nutrients, and hormones throughout the body and remove waste products. Next, I can explain about the structure anatomy of CV system, heart, size and location, cone shape, size of its orifice, center of the throat mediastinum, obliquely 2/3 of its bulk to the left of the body is midline. So now, I will explain about the heart. Heart works as a pump to move the blood around the body. It has 4 chambers, 2 arteria, upper chambers, and 2 ventricles, which is lower chambers. First, the right atrium takes in blood, carrying carbon dioxide. Next, blood is squeezed down into the right ventricle and taken to the lungs, where oxygen replaces carbon dioxide. Then, oxygen carrying blood from the lungs enters the left atrium. And lastly, blood is pumped into the left ventricle and start its journey again throughout the body. Next, we move to wall of heart. Wall of heart is composed of epicardium, which is visceral pericardium, myocardium, which is cardiac muscle, lies within a protective SAC called pericardium. First, fibrous pericardium, next, parietal cavity and visceral layer. So I will explain about abnormal condition of heart, symptom chest pain, shortness of breath, fatigue, and loss of consciousness, medication, aspirin, beta blocks, and blood thinners. The treatment, treating high blood pressure, high blood lipids, and diabetes. Now, blood. Blood is a special fluid, primarily contained within the blood vessels. It has 4 main components: red blood cells, white blood cells, platelets, and plasma. The function of blood. First, protective function, prevention of infection and hemostasis. Second, regulation function, maintain body temperature and control constant blood pH. Last, distribution function, removal of metabolic waste and transport of hormones. There are many types of blood. Red blood cells carry oxygen, nutrients, and wastes. White blood cells fight diseases and protect the body from infection. Platelets gather at the site of injury and help the clotting process. And the last, plasma, straw colored liquid where the other components float in. Now I will explain about blood vessels. These are tubes, are channels that carry blood throughout our body. There are 3 types of blood vessels: veins, arteries, and capillaries. Each one differs in size and structure. For artery has the thickest wall of all 3, allowing it to withstand the high pressure created by the heart. For capillary, it has the thinnest wall to allow substances such as oxygen and sugars to pass through its wall. For vein, It is less muscular and stretchy than an artery, so blood moves through it with low pressure. Artery carries blood away from the heart. Capillary assists in the exchange of substance between the blood and tissues, and vein carries blood back toward the heart. So this is time to recap. Heart, muscular organ that has 4 chambers, pumps blood around the body. For blood, has 4 components: plasma, red blood cells, white blood cells, and platelet. Carries oxygen, nutrient, and wastes. Blood vessels has 3 types: arteries, veins, and capillaries. Serve as channel for the blood. Thank you for watching and listening my presentation. I hope you all will understand my presentation. That's all from me. Thank you.